Zaina hian ka hrit tlang ro ma se ngai thak dani lo thiam anga chuan zaina kan la sak turi terrace mit thlah far side banks of Jordan tinia mizo hla tam takara sa phla taron tia chan chu chan anei ni mai no pa in chan tur hla ania in chan tur te ma ban ram thi a common lo da te chu mi chuan thi nuwa thenna hlan sport thina ni chu emela bi ka hi chuan an dam lai ngein ban ram kal tur chiang sa kami kha ilo thi ma sa ni pon kita kan in tok don ni tin in thla thlap ani emela hian chuan chu tiang si chuan hemi lai nen tir chu ring tu te kan van nei zia nakina eng po to kila kan ma pathian om zela lo thi na po lok na ni ngin kan thi una po van ram kan kai ton chiang lu to kani chu tiang si chuan sum sang ni som pakwa atang sang ni som ni kan theng do na chu ta po jon nal pa nen lom do na chu kan van nei na kan ma lal pa om zela ni ha chu mi ru chung chuan kan ni lo ma do ni I believe my steps are growing wearier each day. Still I got another journey on my mind. The words of this whole world has ceased to make me wanna stay. And my one regret is leaving you behind. But if it proves to be His will that I am first and first, and somehow I feel that it will be. When it comes your time to travel likewise, oh fearless, for I will be the first one that you find, and I'll be waiting on the first side banks of Jordan. I'll be waiting, drawing pictures in the sand. And when I see you coming, I will rise up with a shout and come running through the shallow water, reaching for your hand. Through this life we lay my heart to unmade of faith. It brought us trembling hands and feeling high. I'll just rest here on this shore and turn my eyes away until we come and we'll see paradise. I'll be waiting on the first side banks of Jordan. I'll be waiting, drawing pictures in the sand. And when I see you coming, I will rise up with a shout and come running through the shallow water, reaching for your hand. And I'll be waiting on the first side banks of Jordan. I'll be waiting, drawing pictures in the sand. And when I see you coming, I will rise up with a shout and come running through the shadows.